This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tasting utensils, specifically these great disposable tasting utensils, and we have some cute little forks and spoons to show you. So the first one are these tiny little cake forks. You can see it's just an adorable little mini fork. And then we have our love shovel style spoons that have this nice little shovel blade that's shaped like a heart. And then our Petal spoons that have this nice, soft, kind of organic shape to the bowl of the spoon. And in addition to the style variety, there's also a lovely color variety. So we have teal, black, gray, yellow, the magenta, periwinkle, coral, and a nice pearl white. They're all made from high quality plastic, which makes them a great sturdy option for a disposable utensil for a mini dessert. So whether this is a tasting sample for, say, a tasting menu, or if you're just serving some small plate dishes, you've got some good options for some cute little variety here. The mini forks are about 4 inches in length. And in addition to those little tines, it also has a cute little cutting blade here on the end. So great for kind of digging in to slices of cakes, mini pies, tarts, or any other kind of small pastry. The love shovel is approximately 3.5 inches in length. It has that great little heart-shaped bowl on it that gives you that kind of little shovel action there, and it's perfect for any kind of mini dessert that you need to scoop or to put out in addition to, say, a dessert buffet for any kind of self-service items, whether they're kind of little custards, puddings, trifles, parfaits, whatever the case, or even to use as tasting spoons for, say, frozen items or little frozen desserts if you're looking to give out some little samples. The Petal spoons are about 4.5 inches in length. You can see you have a nice little long handle there, a nice little stylish shaped bowl on the spoon, and these are going to be a beautiful option for any kind of dessert that you need to scoop, whether it's cute little parfaits or trifles, or if you just want some little mini utensils to put out with some buffet items. So overall, these are a great option whether you're a bakery looking for some small utensils for some desserts you're gonna sell, some sort of sweet shop, if you're just looking to do some tasting of items, if you're a retail store, or even if you're having a party at home and you're looking for some cute utensils to make things just a little more festive and add that special extra touch.